Project Party channel, and I'm Mehek, and today we're going to be talking about ribbons and the type of ribbons to use in decoration of parties. So I have two kind of ribbons right here. One is a cloth ribbon and the other is a plastic ribbon, and we get a lot of questions about how we can curl ribbons, and for that you guys need a plastic ribbon. So I'm going to place the cloth ribbon aside, and I've already cut out a piece of the plastic ribbon and tied it into a bow, and we're going to curl the ends of it. These are already slightly curled because they're in a roll, so they're already slightly curled, but we're going to make even prettier curls out of these. First, what we're going to do is we are going to cut this thick strand into small thin ones. We can use our hands for that. Koi size nahi hai, super easy. We don't even need any scissor for that. So next I'm going to place my ribbon right under my scissors like so. It goes right under the ribbon, and then I just slowly pull on it. So if you see, first ribbon all curled up, I'm going to go for the second one. The slower you go and the more force you use, the better curls you will have. So take your time in this, go nice and slow. So here you go guys, super nice, super cute and easy to do. It looks super pretty. You can hang it up with the balloon or on the background, or just on gifts if you like. These look super cute just to decorate anything. So guys, I hope you like this video and I hope it was informative. Do remember to subscribe us guys. Also comment down below, like our video, and let us know what you want to see next. See ya!